Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Crypto Insider, and today I'll be telling us about the KLINK wallet airdrop. So I already made a video of how to get locked in on this airdrop, or how to register and stay positioned for this. So if you've not watched this video, do well to watch this video in my channel. And today I'll be telling us about the KLINK TGE and the KLINK airdrop criteria, the criteria that will make you eligible for this airdrop. So if you're new to my channel, do well to subscribe. If you're watching my videos, thank you. So the link to join this KLINK will be in my description. The link to my Telegram channel also will be in my description, where you can get early alpha and stay locked in, so I can endeavor to be part of airdrops whenever they list. So we'll be going back to the Telegram channel, so I can tell us more about the airdrop and the eligibility criteria. Let's go back to the KLINK Finance airdrop channel. So guys, this is the KLINK Finance X page. You can see it right there, KLINK Finance, and it's verified. It has a gold tick, so it's the legit KLINK Finance X page. You can say reminder, KLINK TGE plus airdrop season 1 eligibility, so which means that they plan on having a season 2. Before the season 2, they try to plan on airdropping participant of season 1 before going ahead to start season 2. He said, have you checked your eligibility for the KLINK airdrop season 1 yet? Season 1 is wrapping up. You can see we're still finalizing the TGE date with our CXs, launchpads, and ecosystem partners. But in the meantime, make sure you are locked in. So KLINK was supposed to list around February, but for some reasons it was delayed. So I think currently it's almost coming to an end. So if you've not joined, you can join and get to farm as much points as possible. So let's look at the eligibility criteria. So let's see if it's something that is very attainable. You can see right here, KLINK season 1 airdrop criteria. So the first requirement is that your mini app should be linked to mobile app. So I showed us how to do this. It's quite easy. I showed how to do this in my previous video. What else is to go to your Telegram KLINK account and input the email you use to register for the mobile app, and then it's going to link. But if you want a video guide on how to do this, the link to the video will be in my description, so you can get to watch it and know how to link your mini app to your mobile app. So the second criteria is featured offer earnings. You should have minimum of $1. So I'm showing us what this entails, and we'll go back to the Telegram app and the mobile app. So criteria 3 is that you should be activity in the last 60 days before TGE. So if you've stopped mining this airdrop, I urge you to continue, because the date for TGE is not yet, so you will not be caught in outside this last 60 days. So you should be active for the last 60 days. So they want to reward active miners, active users of your airdrop. And then the last requirement is that it's a 20 base wallet address provided before TGE. This address has not been made known. This feature has not been made known yet. So if it's available and if it's made known, I will let us know in my Telegram community. So but just to connect your ERC20 base wallet address straight to the KLINK, because that's where you'll be receiving your airdrop. Let's go back to the mobile app and the Telegram page, and tell us how to stay locked in this airdrop, and explain some of the eligibility criteria so that we're not confused. This is the KLINK mobile wallet. So once you open it, this is where it's going to bring you to. Then go ahead to click on this and more KLINK right here. So to do that, it's going to take you to this place. You can see the KLINK airdrop has begun, and we're almost nearing TGE. You can see the airdrop mobile app points. I can see my Telegram app points. So once you link your mini app and your mobile app, is going to show here. You're going to get to see the points mining together, and then these are the various milestones. You can get to do your daily check-ins and claim points repeatedly every day. And then if you want to get to see the featured offers, just click over here. It's going to take you to the featured offers page. And as I said, they said that we have to you need to have at least $1 minimum in these featured offers. So there are various featured offers. You can ranges from mobile apps to games to surveys. So some require money, some don't require money. So we can get to find out the ones that are free and participate. So you'll be able to get as little as $1. So you need to do this as quick as possible. I'm yet to do mine, but we'll do mine very, very soon. So I think that's all for the app. So let me take us to the Telegram mini app. So guys, this is the KLINK Telegram mini app, you can see this icon here shows that you can see the mini app is connected to my Ton account and to my mobile app. So endeavor to do yours. So complete your tasks. Endeavor to click on mine for it to mine, claim your daily points. Endeavor to claim your daily points. I'm going to claim for today. Done. Then over here at offers, you can get to see the featured offers, which are also in the mobile app. So see featured offers, complete any one of your choice. You can just get minimum of $1, so it doesn't disqualify you for the airdrop. I think that's over. You can get to see your referral link. So I already made a video of how to play, utilize this, gain referrals, and link the mobile app to the mini app. So the video link will be in the description to be able to watch it. So I think that's all for the KLINK airdrop eligibility. Thank you for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, do not subscribe and turn your post notifications so when getting more videos from me. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. My Telegram channel link will be in the description. Join so that we can take part in airdrops together, search for offers, and make lots of money before the end of this year. Thank you for watching this video and see you next time.